Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Many people ask, when you are chanting the holy name, in what mood should one pray and what should one pray? Srila Prabhupada said, when you see the altar opening and when you get the darshan of the deities, Radha Vrindavan Chandra, Prabhupada said you should think, "Oh Master, I salute you, I bow down to you, I admire you, I adore you." So that is the mood in which we welcome the Lord. When the Lord is dressed up by Mother Yashoda and he is ready to go to the forest for herding the cows and calves, so we welcome him, greet him with Govinda Madhyapurusham prayers, and also we salute him like he is our master, I am his servant. Because many devotees ask, should we think God like our lover, I am a gopi, Lord is my kanta? Huh? Or should we think of him like a friend? Should we think of him like a child? But Prabhupada said we should think of him like the way Arjuna thought of Krishna. Arjuna is aware of Krishna's supremacy. Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusham Shashvatam, Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum, Ahustvam Rishayah Sarve Deva Rishir Naradastatha, Asito Devalo Vyaso Swayam Chaiva Bravishime, Sarvame Tatkritam Manye Yanmam Vadasi Keshava, Nahi Te Bhagavan Vyaktim Vidur Devanadaanamaha. So in these verses, Arjuna is declaring Krishna's supremacy. He is aware of Krishna's position as the supreme master and the supreme controller. There is no one equal to him or greater than him. At the same time, Arjuna's understanding of Lord's supremacy is also mixed with Arjuna's intimacy with Krishna as a friend. Because Arjuna's mother is sister of Krishna's father. So there is also a maternal cousin connection to Arjuna. And Arjuna's wife is Krishna's sister. Again, there is a more intimate connection between Arjuna and Krishna. And besides that, even before, Arjuna is always eternal friend of Krishna. So Krishna says, Bhaktosime sakha cheti rahasyam hyetaduttama. He is saying that Ishtosime dridhamiti idam bhakshyami te hitam. You are very dear to me, Arjun. You are my bhakta, you are my sakha. So Krishna acted as a philosopher, friend and guide of Arjuna. Similarly, all of us in our life also, for example, a boy or a girl goes to a college, their father is providing all their maintenance and needs and everything on one hand. On the other hand, the father is a trusted friend of a son or a daughter. They can confide in the father and mother and they can take their guidance and help. Anything, very vital thing, they will first tell them first. And they know they are supporting our activities. So in the same manner, Krishna is the eternal friend of every jiva. He is accompanying us in our heart. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu prayed, Ayinanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam budhau kripaya tava pada pankajastita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. So Prabhupada would often quote this verse and another verse of Narottam Das Thakur. Aha Prabhu Nanda Sutta Vrishabhanu Sutta Yuta Kuruna Korohe Ivaro Narottama Dase Koi Nate Liho Ranga Poe Toma Vina Ke Ache Amara. So here Narottam Das sings, when I am calling out the holy name, the divine couple Shri Radha and Krishna, Radha Vrindavan Chandra, are standing in front of me and to receive my prayer, to receive my worship. And he says that without you I have no other shelter. Please shelter me, accept my love and service, keep me in your shelter, let me not stray away to Maya, protect me, guide me, purify me, uplift me, keep me with you. This is the mood in which the chanting of the holy name is done. So this kind of consciousness is a very fine-tuned consciousness which may often not come very easily in a gross state of absorption in tamoguna and rajoguna. Because tamoguna keeps us absorbed in laziness and lethargy, and rajoguna keeps us absorbed in revengeful thoughts and anger and greed and competitive mentality and dreams and everything. So we have to rise above this too, to come to Sattva. That's why Sitam Sattve Prasidati, that verse says that. So we are all rendering devotional service during the day to more and more get our consciousness cleansed and make it offerable at the time of chanting the names of the Supreme Lord. And so sins and offenses are the ones which are blocking our way forward. The prayerful attitude becomes more and more prominent when we avoid the offensive mentality and the sinful activities. So in this way, the prayerful mood, when it is imbued with the chanting of the holy name, it acts as a very powerful agent in attracting the Supreme Lord and cleansing our heart very rapidly. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitaram pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.